Misa is a robotic companion designed to help manage daily activities and chores in any family, whether big or small. Capable of entertaining children for hours, Misa can chat, dance, and play educational games, keeping kids engaged while parents are busy. In addition to being a toy, Misa functions as a smart speaker, turning on alarms, setting timers, finding information online, booking hotels, and suggesting recipes. It can patrol the house using a built-in camera and sound recorder, allowing owners to monitor their home remotely. Misa also enables video calls, movie watching, and can assist the elderly by reminding them to take their medication. It moves around the house independently, avoiding obstacles, and offers many useful features for $400. The Hiwonder SpiderPi is a smart toy developed by the Chinese company Hiwonder, designed to be both fun and educational by teaching its owner the basics of programming. Equipped with a high-resolution camera for color recognition and object tracking, the robot uses ultrasound to detect and bypass obstacles. It also supports visual line following, and through coding, it can be programmed to perform various tricks, offering endless entertainment for $580. The Terra Sect rolling lizard is an RC toy designed to keep restless children entertained while replacing several other toys. Its key feature is the ability to switch between two functional modes. In its upright position, it rides like a normal car, but when bent, it rolls like a wheel, easily overcoming obstacles and stairs. Priced from just $18, it offers unique versatility and hours of fun. The HHD H6 is a unique RC toy that combines the excitement of both a motorcycle and a drone, transforming between the two in seconds. Its wheels double as propellers, offering a seamless transition between ground and aerial play. Equipped with a high-quality camera, the HHD H6 can capture photos and videos, transmitting the images in real time via Wi-Fi to a smartphone. Contrary to concerns about image quality, the drone can hover motionless in the air, reducing vibrations for sharp, stable shots. It can be controlled via a special remote or a smartphone, with a battery lasting 8 minutes for flying or 15 minutes for riding on the ground. The control range extends up to 40 to 50 meters, and the toy is priced around $57. Ganker, a robot developed by Oz Robotics, stands out as a multiplayer toy designed for competitive robot battles, offering a fun and interactive way to spend time with friends. Controlled via a smartphone app, the intuitive interface allows players to engage in strategic combat, requiring skill and practice to win against other players. Ganker robots can be customized with unique weapons and armor, giving each robot its own character. Advanced users can even program special commands and movements through coding. While the robots participate in battles, they don't cause actual harm. Touches are detected by sensors to determine points and the winner. Priced at $400. The SilverLit Robo Chameleon is an adorable robotic pet, perfect for children who aren't quite ready for a real animal. This charming chameleon changes the color of its back and crest, and can stick out its tongue to move objects or pick up special tokens, which it uses as food. Priced around $40, it's a fun and interactive way for kids to experience having a pet. The Bohm Stirling Peugeot AP172 is a highly detailed, collectible toy model of the Peugeot Quadrolet from the 1920s, designed for adult enthusiasts rather than children. Unlike typical toy cars, it features a tiny 4-cylinder engine that powers the rear wheels, allowing the model to move for about 10 minutes before needing to cool down. Crafted with precision, the screws are made of stainless steel, while the wheels, headlight bezels, and radiator grille are made from brass, with the body primarily constructed from aluminum. Additionally, the car comes as a construction set, with an estimated assembly time of 3 hours. Priced at around $480, it's a beautifully intricate model for collectors. PowerTreads is an RC car that breaks the mold of limited mobility commonly seen in most RC vehicles. Thanks to its unique design, It offers exceptional cross-country capability, allowing it to traverse various surfaces and tackle obstacles with ease. This makes it perfect for creating custom obstacle courses. Priced at $30, PowerTreads delivers impressive versatility and rugged performance for a fun and dynamic play experience. The AirHogs Stunt Shot. This little powerhouse stands out with its huge, soft wheels. These aren't just for show, they let the Stunt Shot tackle obstacles and navigate through tight spots with ease. Plus, they're designed to protect your furniture and the people around it, ensuring no scratches or damage even on delicate surfaces. And the best part? This impressive RC car is available for just $25.